The American black bear, Ursus americanus, is one of the most widespread and well-known bear species in North America. Found from Canada to Mexico and in various forests and mountainous regions, black bears are admired for their adaptability and impressive survival skills. Their behavior, diet, and ecological role, however, often raise the question, is the American black bear a predator? To answer this, it is essential to examine their diet, hunting behavior, and interactions with other animals. American black bears are omnivores, which means their diet includes both plant and animal matter. However, unlike true apex predators such as wolves or mountain lions, black bears do not primarily hunt other animals for food. Instead, their diet consists mainly of vegetation, including fruits, nuts, berries, grasses, and roots. Depending on the season and availability, black bears will adjust their diet to maximize energy intake. During the spring, they often feed on fresh shoots, grasses, and early berries. In summer and fall, they consume fruits like blueberries, blackberries, apples, and acorns, often traveling long distances to reach abundant food sources. In preparation for winter hibernation, black bears enter a phase called hyperphagia, during which they consume large quantities of food to build fat reserves. Although primarily herbivorous, black bears occasionally consume animal matter. This includes insects, carrion, small mammals, and eggs from birds' nests. In some rare instances, black bears may kill larger animals, such as deer fawns, but this behavior is uncommon and generally opportunistic rather than predatory. Black bears are not pursuit hunters. Instead, when they consume animals, it is usually opportunistic scavenging or targeting vulnerable individuals. For example, a black bear may find a weak or injured deer or raid a bird's nest, rather than actively chasing healthy prey. Their powerful jaws and strong claws allow them to break into logs or termite mounds to access insects and larvae, which supplement their diet with protein. Compared to other predatory mammals, black bears are relatively passive hunters. They rely more on their keen sense of smell and intelligence to find food than on active predation. Their climbing ability and strength allow them to access resources that other predators cannot, such as honey in tree hollows or fruit on high branches. Black bears can swim efficiently and are adept at foraging near rivers, where they may catch fish. However, this behavior is limited to areas where fish are abundant and accessible, and they are not known to actively hunt fish in the same way as brown bears or grizzly bears. While black bears may consume some animals, calling them true predators is misleading. They are better classified as opportunistic omnivores. Unlike wolves, mountain lions, or coyotes, black bears do not regularly hunt large prey or structure ecosystems through predation. Instead, their impact on the environment comes from their foraging habits. By consuming berries, nuts, and other plants, black bears help with seed dispersal, which promotes forest regeneration. Their digging behavior aerates soil, aiding plant growth and supporting other species. Even when they scavenge, they contribute to nutrient cycling by consuming carrion and reducing waste in the ecosystem. Black bears are generally non-aggressive toward humans, especially compared to other predators. They may enter human settlements to forage for garbage, crops, or livestock, but attacks are rare and usually defensive. Understanding their opportunistic feeding behavior is key to preventing conflicts with humans. Securing trash bins, removing bird feeders, and avoiding leaving food outside can significantly reduce unwanted encounters. Is the American black bear a predator? The answer is mostly no, but with some nuance. Black bears are omnivores with a diet heavily reliant on plant matter. While they occasionally consume animals through scavenging or opportunistic hunting, they are not active predators in the ecological sense. Their behavior demonstrates remarkable adaptability, intelligence, and resourcefulness, allowing them to thrive across North America without relying heavily on hunting other animals. Ultimately, the American black bear's role in ecosystems is complex. They shape their environment through foraging, seed dispersal, and occasional scavenging, contributing to biodiversity and forest health. While they possess the physical tools of a predator, their lifestyle and dietary habits make them much more than that. They are opportunistic omnivores, skilled survivors, and important ecological participants rather than true hunters.